This is Holorhenna pubescens. It's called Kodagasana in Kannada and Kutaja in Sanskrit. So its all India name is Kutaja. Then in regional languages and all they have numerous names depending on the area and all that. This is a widespread plant. I think all India plant in dry deciduous forest, and then even moist and other ones also in the little drier areas only it comes nicely. And having a lot of properties, Ayurvedic properties. That is the cow is got agitated because of these dogs who are following me. Anyway, I'll do a more detailed one later. Then it has a woody kind of a branches, and then it has that milky so that sap comes out, so it's lactiferous, and then it has a thick rough bark. This bark is it's also part of that herbal properties. It's a small shrub what I got here, and it's in one of these doomed places, so it's actually occurred on the edge of that next to that fence stone, so that's why it's got protected, otherwise it would have got bulldozed. Then this Holorhenna pubescens, it's a very important herb of Ayurveda. And the seeds come like this kind of a pencil type of formation, and then it splits open. It splits open when the seeds get ready, and the seeds are kind of dispersed by that force of that opening. Then bark and seeds are bitter, constipating, astringent, refrigerant, anti-periodic, aphrodisiac, carminative, digestive, febrifuge, tonic. So it has a lot of properties. This bark and seeds. Then it's used for dysentery, diarrhea, asthma, internal hemorrhage. It's one of those constricting and kind of astringent type of medicine, I think. Bitter, constipating, astringent. Yeah. So these astringent things kind of make a puckering effect on the all the tissues and all. So it has good for drying up wounds and all. Then internal hemorrhage, vomiting, worms, urinary and skin diseases. So lots of properties are there, and it's also becoming rare. You don't see it much unless in these neglected places only it's there, and it's not been accepted into gardens. Though its leaves are all very pretty and attractive. Then flowers also, nice creamy colored fragrant flowers, and doesn't become very big. And being a native plant, it will be good for our environment and all. So leaves also very attractive. If you look at the leaves, the shape and all is shape, and these patterns are all very nice. and it has quite a reasonably long flowering period. It started flowering about 15 days back, and plenty of new buds are still there. So we'll be having flowers for probably another 15-20 days and all. So that is the Holorhenna pubescens, Kutaja.